Assalamualaikum, this is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Burp Suite with Firefox, including the proxy and CA certificate setup. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Burp Suite. To check the proxy listener, click Settings in the top right corner, and from the sidebar under Tools, select Proxy. Here, check the proxy listener settings. If it's not already configured, set the host to 127.0.0.1 and set the port to 8080. Now, open Firefox. Click the menu button and open Settings. Use the search bar and search for Proxy. Then, under Connection and Software Security, choose Advanced Settings. Now, under Proxy Settings, select Configure Proxy. Choose Manual Proxy Configuration. In the HTTP proxy field, enter 127.0.0.1 and in the port field, enter 8080. Then click OK. Now, Firefox will send its traffic through Burp Suite. Next, we need to install the Burp CA certificate. With Burp Suite running, open a new tab in Firefox and visit HTTP Burp Suite. Now, download the CA certificate. Once the certificate is downloaded, go back to Firefox settings. Search for Certificate. Open Advanced Settings. Click Manage Certificates. Now open the Authorities tab and click Import. Select the Burp CA certificate you just downloaded. When the Firefox asks what the certificate should be trusted for, enable Trust this CA to identify websites. Then click OK. Now close your Firefox and reopen it. Now, make sure intercept is turned off in Burp Suite, then open an HTTPS website in Firefox. If the website loads normally without a certificate warning, the setup is working correctly. To confirm that Burp Suite is receiving the traffic, open Proxy and go to HTTP History. You should see Firefox as requested appearing there. And that's it. You have successfully configured Burp Suite with Firefox for HTTPS traffic testing. Thanks for watching.